Hey guys, Grant Cardone here. Hope you're doing well today. Hope this finds you well. Want to ask you a question. Who's challenging you? Come on, let's keep it real. Who is challenging you in your life to do more, to be more, to have more, to create more, to think bigger? Look, the biggest thing that has plagued me in my life is big think. I have never thought big enough, okay? Like if you see the life I'm living today, I'm here in Malibu today. Beautiful, beautiful place. We're here working on our 10X challenge for you, and I'm doing real estate deals, and I'm planning some big stuff on TV. It's gonna be whacked to the nth degree. I'm doing more today than I've ever done before in my life because I've had the good fortune of being challenged by people that get me to think bigger and to do more. And that's what I want to do for you in the 10X challenge. Unfortunately, in my lifetime, or fortunately, however you look at it, I was not around enough people to really get me to think big. I grew up in a small town in Louisiana, and my dad died when I was 10, as some of you know. My older brother died when I was 20. I stayed in a small town for 30 years, and I just never thought big. I worked hard, I saved my money, I did a lot of the right things, but until I started thinking big, I did not significantly change my life. When you start thinking big and start going big and start getting challenged by the right people to do things equal to your full potential, I promise you, everything in your life will change. That's what we're going to do on the 10X challenge. I have some of my buddies coming in because I can't do this by myself for you. Okay, I need some other people with expertise in other areas that can get you to think, wait a minute, I can do that in that space. So maybe you're doing something online. I got experts coming to talk to you about online commerce. Maybe you're in the retail business. I have people coming on that know all about retail. You guys know some of the people I hang with. I had Kenny Smith here this morning, NBA analyst, okay? Guy's had massive success in his life. He's reaching out to me to ask me about real estate. We'll be talking about everything you need here. Mental, money, marketing, getting known in the marketplace, building a business plan, being in the right vehicle, growing yourself, growing your business. Join me for this. It's going to be unbelievable. I promise you it's going to be an exceptional experience in your lifetime that you will never forget. It's called the 10X Challenge. Grant Cardone, some of my superstar friends, and I hope you join me. I truly hope you join me. Don't miss this. It's a great opportunity for you in your life to really get challenged, to think bigger, to fulfill your potential, to determine and decide on what is your destiny. What is your true purpose in life? What is or are you capable of really achieving in your lifetime? The 10X Challenge, grantcardone.com/challenge. We'll see you there. 10 days to change your life forever. Yep, 10 days to change your life forever. That's my goal. Join me.